Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Denny Nolan and I'm about to let you in on witnessing the maiden voyage, or first cut if you will, of my do-it-yourself CNC machine. It is patterned and designed by a guy named Dave Gatton. It's called a Gatton CNC machine. Look it up if you ever want to build one. This is a good choice. Matter of fact, I'd say it's your best choice. Now, first, before we get started, this is the control center using a software called Mach 3, and also a control box or control center made by a gentleman by the name of Javi, lives in South Florida. Yes, it is made in the good old USA. It's called a Javi box, and it is absolutely the best plug and play on the market that anywhere today that can be found for your homemade CNC machine. I simply purchased this box, plugged it in, screwed the wires together, and it works. First, right out of the box, it works. All you have to do is plug it in and play. Now, without further ado, I will click on this right here, and we will zero the machine. Now, all we got to do is go over and hit cycle start. I already have the G-code installed, so let's get right with it. Now that we have the noise going, a little better view of our Scorpion, which is my first cut, my test cut, matter of fact, on a CNC, on a Gatton CNC machine.